I have been using 3M products and brands for decades. Products like Scotch and Bondo have become shop or household names. When it comes to body paint and metal fabricating products, I turn to 3M. 3M professional grade rubberized undercoating is a multi-purpose undercoating that can be applied to cars, trucks, and our recreational vehicles. 3M Rust Preventer Spray helps stop rust before it starts. I use it on internal auto body panels and frames, a buffer against rust-forming agents like water and salt. Bondo has been around for many decades. The complete dent kit makes it much easier to get the job done. Everything in one package. Do-it-yourselfers get professional results with these kits. Metal reinforced filler has aluminum for extra strength in an easy spreading filler. This is a fast dry formula and can be sanded in as little as 20 minutes. It's exceptionally strong and can be drilled, anchored, or tapped for cosmetic repairs. Modern bumpers have become an area for repairs. Cost savings are clear with the bumper repair kit. The 3M two-part epoxies are an adjunct to products like bumper repair and scratch and rock chip. These Dynatron yellow spreaders are flexible for spreading smooth edges. Quality bodywork is always done with this level of spreader. 3M Stick-It Blue Abrasive Disc Rolls are the best-in-class abrasive disc roll for the entire repair and paint preparation process. If you want professional results, these engineered ceramic mineral blend discs are balanced for maximum abrasive performance. Ceramic aluminum oxide base. The grits available are 120, 150, 180, 220, 240, 320, 40 grit, 400 grit, 500, 600, 80, and 800 grit. I consider masking to be the most important part of prepping for a paint job. 3M Precision Masking Tape prevents seepage and edge bleed with waterborne and solvent paints. The thinnest 3M tape for automotive won't leave high paint edges, and it's great for two-tone jobs. It's semi-transparent for better visibility. It's an acrylic adhesive that provides excellent UV resistance. There's a lot of science in masking tape. Scotch Performance Green Masking Tape is flexible. Its conformable backing resists breaking for ease of use and less material waste. Special Adhesive resists lifting and edge curling. This is a superior general body shop masking tape. This 3M paper and tape dispenser has lasted me for decades. Hand Masker general purpose masking paper is still available for this dispenser. Another 3M Plus. In my view, 3M super flexible sanding sheets are the best in the industry. The sanding sheets have an extreme grip backing. They're super flexible, durable, they last longer, they fold, roll, and shape better. They work best in hard-to-reach areas. This sanding paper features 3M extreme grip backing, which reduces hand fatigue. This paper is available in all popular grits. I use Scotch-Brite pads all the time. Rolox sanding and Scotch-Brite discs are ideal for stripping paint, primer, and rust. The Rolox systems are patented 3M products. 3M Black Super Weather Strip adhesive forms flexible, waterproof bonds that resist vibration. Easy to brush and spread right from the tube, this material saves time. It resists oils, solvents, detergents, and temperature changes for permanent repairs on surfaces including vinyl, metal, fabrics, and rubber. This is simply the best product in the industry.